Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In this Windows 10 tutorial, I have been asked, how do you fix the ActiveX Installer? Well, this is actually quite easy to do. All you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and you need to type in services. You now need to open up the services, and once it is open, I'm just going to quickly expand this a little bit more to make it easier to see. Once it has opened, at the very top here, you should have ActiveX Installer. If you don't, then simply just click on the name here and then it will reorganize the list for you. You now need to right click on the ActiveX Installer and you need to go to Properties. You now need to change the startup type from manual to automatic, and you now need to hit apply. And you now need to go ahead and press start, because as you can see at the minute my service status is stopped, and that means that ActiveX Installer will not work at the moment. I need to go ahead now and press start and it will now work. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.